KTM News, steady fourth for Red Bull KTM's Marvin Musquin at Detroit SX 2022. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. It was a challenging night of racing in Detroit for round 10 of the AMA Supercross Championship, but Red Bull KTM Factory Racing's Marvin Musquin minimized the mistakes to come away unscathed and just outside the 450SX podium in fourth overall. Unfortunately, his teammate, Webb, was one of a few top riders who suffered race-ending crashes while battling up front during the main event. Musquin, the 6th place qualifier, grabbed a top 3 start in 450SX Heat 1 and he established himself in the lead battle early on. Putting in 10 consistent laps aboard his KTM 450SXF Factory Edition, the Frenchman secured a 3rd place finish in the heat. In the main event, Musquin had a great jump off the line and he charged his way into a fierce battle up front on the opening lap. He diced back and forth inside podium contention for the first few laps before getting shuffled outside the top 5 midway through the race. While making a charge for third, Musquin surrendered to the slick conditions late in the race and washed his front end in a corner. Despite losing significant time on the podium charge, he was able to maintain his 4th place position through the checkers. Marvin Musquin said, "It was a crazy night of racing. In the main, I got a good start and ended up second with Bogle in front of me. I should have passed him, but I wasn't good in the whoops and I lost a couple spots. On the split lane, I was taking the inside and the outside was better, so people just got by me and I dropped. After that, I started getting into a better rhythm and obviously a lot of guys went down. I was trying to pass Barcia towards the end and I lost the front end and that could have been a podium for me, but I'm just glad I finished healthy and going home." In 450SX Heat 2, Webb grabbed a top 3 start aboard his KTM 450SXF Factory Edition and charged his way into second early on. Engaging in a 3-way battle for the early lead, he diced back and forth for a few laps before settling into third and he went on to secure a top 3 transfer spot. In the main event, Webb got off to a great start and asserted himself into the podium battle right away. Passing his teammate Musquin for third on lap 4, the defending champ continued to mix it up with an intense group of top riders up front. While running fourth later in the race, Webb made a mistake through the rhythm section and got clipped midair by another rider, resulting in both riders crashing to the ground. Webb remounted and attempted a couple laps before pulling off to receive on-site medical attention. The Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team provided an update as of Saturday evening. It's fair to say that Cooper was pretty banged up when he was landed on. Upon initial observation by the doctor here at the track of his shoulder and hand, it doesn't appear that anything is broken, but he plans to have further evaluation and x-rays when he returns home to Florida on Monday. Next race, March 19th, Indianapolis, Indiana. Results and standings are available in the description. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM Authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.